Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can build your Unity game to the Windows platform. Let's get right into it. So you're going to want to go up to File, then go to Build Profiles. Then you're going to want to go to the Scene list, and you're going to want to click on Add Open Scenes. If you have multiple scenes, you're going to need to open each scene one by one and click on Add Open Scenes, or drag and drop your scenes into the scene list. Then you're going to want to click on the Windows platform. This will be in Unity by default, and you can change the settings down here if you want to. However, for the purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to click on Build. Then you're going to want to navigate in the Windows File Explorer to a folder where you want your built game to go. Then you want to click on Select Folder. After that, the game is then going to build. Once the game is built, you can then navigate to it in the Windows File Explorer and just click on the exe to open it up. And as you can see, the game is working. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.